2020 Acura Nsx with collision damage. Need the right front fender, need the right front headlight. Front bumper cover needs repair. Hood needs repair. Right side door looks good. You need a right side quarter panel. You need the right rear rim. The suspension's tucked in on the bottom. The rear bumper cover looks okay. You gotta repaint it. Tail lights look okay. Rear hatch is okay. You need a left rear quarter panel. The suspension's tucked in also over here. The bulk of the damage is on this side. You need a complete door. Hinge post is pushed in. The quarters off alignment here. Looks like it's hit high above the rocker panel. Roof is okay, no damage. Might be able to save this right fender. I know they're pretty expensive. The engine does start, it does not drive because of the suspension damage. Structurally it's sound under here. You don't see any structural damage here. This is straight. Everything looks good under here. Front frame rails look good. Radiator and condenser is good. Windshield is okay. Seat airbag, seat belt's locked. Passenger airbag is deployed. Driver airbag is deployed. And this 2 curtain airbags here. Basically you need all the airbags. 2, 4, 6 in total. Engine's back here. You need power to open the hatch. I have access to it right now. But the engine does start. Posted on the website soon. Thanks for watching.